Hi, it's Jeff Grace with GraceHomes.com at RE/MAX Hallmark here in Leslieville, and I'm really excited for you to see 1512 Queen Street East, a gorgeous freehold townhouse that we just listed. Inside, the house has been updated with brand new walnut hardwood floors throughout. It has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, with each of the bathrooms being updated with new tile, new fixtures, and new vanities. There's 3 decks to enjoy some quiet time outside. And there's an internal garage, which makes parking super easy. This freehold townhouse features no condo fees, and it's conveniently located across the street from Jonathan Ashbridge Park, which is the home to tennis courts and the Leslieville Farmers Market in the summertime. The 501 Queen Streetcar is right at your doorstep, and it's a quick walk or bike down to the beach. What's really unique about this townhouse is it features a mixed residential commercial zoning. Because the lower level has a direct walkout to Queen Street, you can run a home business. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in seeing the home in person, go back to GraceHomes.com and book your showing today. Thanks a lot and have a great day.